Good morning, friends. All right, so today our shape is going to be the circle. So do your finger like this, around and 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 around. A circle is a line that connects that never stops. It just goes around and around and around. It does not have a stopping point. And so this is a blue circle. All right. So there are a lot of things that are around us in our world that are circles. Tires on mommy and daddy's car are circles. Um, Tennis balls, basketballs, soccer balls, they can all be circles. Pizza, Miss Hendry's favorite yummy pizza, can be circles. And then flowers, this beautiful flower is a circle. And then other things that can be a circle are things like the sun, the moon, different balls, like I said earlier. So we know what circles are. They are the ones that are around and around and around. And don't forget, yesterday we talked about the square. The square, it has four sides. This is a blue square. We talked about post-it notes can be squares, gift box can be squares, cardboard boxes can be squares, and ice cubes can be squares. All right, guys, so don't forget, today is the circle. All right, check around your house and see if you can find anything that are circles. Bye, guys.